Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add admin to an Instagram account. First of all, open the Facebook app. Click on the particular group. Go to Settings on the left side of the page. In Settings, tap on Linked Accounts. To connect your Facebook page to Instagram, tap on Connect Account. Tap on Connect. Click on Confirm to allow access to Instagram messages in the inbox. Log in to your Instagram account. Save your login information. Your page is now connected to your Instagram account. Click on Done. You can review roles in Facebook page settings. Click on Facebook page settings. Community managers can moderate chat comments. Tap on Manage. Tap Invite in Suggested Community Managers. Tap on Add Community Members. Click on Get Started. That's how you can add admin to an Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.